Howdy guys, today we're doing a LeetCode question number 1295. Find numbers with even number of digits. Given an array nums of integers, return how many of them contain an even number of digits. So it's pretty straightforward. So we got nums 12, 30, 345, 2, 6, 7,896. Output here is 2. And so as we see here in the explanation, the output is 2 because 12 contains 2 digits, which is an even number. And then 7,7896 contains 4 digits, which is also an even number. Therefore, 12 and 78, or 7896, contain an even number of digits. So there's only 2 numbers within this array that are that have even digits. This one's pretty cool. So to solve this one, let's go ahead and create a variable to store our result in. We're going to call it something fancy like result, and we're going to initialize it to 0. We're going to set the number to 0 here, and then what we're going to do, we have to iterate through this vector. So what we have to do is we have to get a for loop going. So for int I equals 0, and then while I is less than nums.size I plus plus. Alright, so within the for loop here, what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable. We're going to call it temp. We're going to equal this to nums I. So the reason why we're storing this into a temporary variable is because it just makes it a bit easier to manipulate. And it also, we're going to do something with temp a bit later on. So we're going to declare another variable here. So we're going to do int digits, and we're going to initialize this to 0. Now, this is why we create our temp variable. We're going to do a while loop. So while temp is greater than 0, what we want to do is we want to divide temp by 10. So by dividing temp by 10, what we're doing is we're getting the number of decimal places. I guess not decimal places. We get we pretty much get the amount of tens that are within this variable. All right. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to increment our digits. So as long as this is equal. As long as temp is greater than 0, we're going to increment a digit. This will just help us keep track of how many times we're dividing by 10 on this temporary variable. So one thing that's important here is we want to, outside of the while loop, what we want to do now is we want to have a conditional operator here. So if digits modulus 2 equals 0, then we want to increment result by 1. So in other words, if digits divided by 2, if the remainder of digits divided by 2 is equal to 0, then we want to increment this variable here. And then last but not least, we want to return the results variable, and that should be all she wrote. So let's go ahead and run this, make sure I didn't mess anything up. Let's go ahead and submit it. And there we go. So yep, there you go guys. Not the best runtime, but you know, it gets the job done. That's my thanks for watching guys. This is my solution to this problem. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, hopefully you found it helpful, and adios guys. See you later. Bye. Hey, and also, I don't really do this. I don't know, I'm not really like a YouTuber kind of guy, but you know, if you found it helpful, hit the like button. You know, I'm not telling you to subscribe, you don't gotta subscribe, but you know, if you got this far, at least throw me a like, you know what I mean? But anyway, adios, have a good day, bye.